Do you think Earth is suspended in space because some mysterious force is holding it up? You're wrong. In space, there is no up or down, and nothing can truly fall because there is no floor. The idea of falling is a lie we've been told for decades. In the cosmos, there are no walls. You could travel for billions of light years and never hit a barrier. So if there is no down, why doesn't Earth just fly away? Why does it orbit the sun so faithfully? The answer is even more startling. The sun has carved an invisible pit in the fabric of space-time. Earth isn't just floating. It's been racing in circles within this pit for 4.6 billion years. This pit is known as space-time curvature, discovered by Albert Einstein. Its depth determines the fate of our world. You might ask, how can space be curved? Isn't space empty? This is where Einstein's genius surpassed Newton's. Over 300 years ago, Newton discovered gravity, supposedly after an apple fell on his head, making him wonder why it dropped down instead of floating up. His answer was that Earth has gravity pulling the apple toward it, but Newton couldn't explain what gravity actually is. How can it pull objects across air, vacuum, and millions of kilometers of space? This baffled scientists for centuries until 1915, when Einstein proposed general relativity. He declared that gravity as we know it doesn't exist. You heard that right. The force that drops the apple and keeps Earth orbiting the sun isn't a force at all. It's an illusion created by the warping of space-time. How to understand this? Imagine placing a heavy iron ball on a taut bed sheet. The sheet curves, doesn't it? Now add a marble. It won't stay put. It will roll toward the indentation of the heavy ball. If the marble has enough sideways speed, it won't just fall in. It will orbit the iron ball. This is the relationship between Earth and the Sunday. The sun's mass is 330,000 times that of Earth, creating a massive dip in space-time. Earth is like that marble, sliding along the curve of this depression. We call this orbit. So, Earth isn't being pulled. It's traveling through a curved landscape, moving in what it believes is a straight line, which turns into a circle. It sounds absurd, right? But in 1919, astronomer Arthur Eddington proved it during a solar eclipse. He observed that light from distant stars bent as it passed near the Sunday. If space were flat, light would travel straight. The fact that it bent proves that space-time near the sun is curved. Einstein was right. Space-time can be warped, and gravity is just the visual representation of that curvature. Now, if Earth is constantly sliding toward the sun, why doesn't it fall in? The answer lies in Earth's lateral velocity. Recall the marble on the sheet. Without sideways speed, it falls straight in. With enough speed, it circles forever. Earth orbits the sun at 29.8 kilometers per second. To put that in perspective, a bullet travels at about 1 kilometer per second. Earth is moving 30 times faster than a bullet, circling the globe in just 7 minutes. It is this precise speed that keeps Earth sliding in the sun's space-time pit without falling. What would happen if Earth suddenly stopped? The result is terrifying. In about 65 days, we would collide with the sun after being scorched by its immense heat. But don't worry, this won't happen because there is nothing in space to apply the brakes. Space is a near-perfect vacuum. No air, no friction, no resistance. The speed Earth gained 4.6 billion years ago remains almost entirely intact. It will keep spinning until the sun dies. You might ask, where did that initial speed come from? We must look back to the birth of our solar system. 4.6 billion years ago, a massive cloud of gas and dust, the solar nebula, began to collapse and rotate. Why spin? Because of a fundamental law, the conservation of angular momentum.